Are you looking for ways to get creative and engage your learners with programming microbits? Why not try the new microbit projects which are located in the computing curriculum area? In these projects, your children can have fun programming a microbit with free code microbit or using Python. These fun and practical projects for years 3 to 6 are an exciting way to stimulate children's computational thinking by programming physical devices using the buttons, pins, LED display, speaker, and the inbuilt sensors of the microbit. These quick projects can be used in addition to or to supplement the microbit units that are available within the Purple Mash computing scheme in years 3, 4, 5, and 6. Children can program a jukebox to play their own music, or measure and compare the temperature around the school, or design a sunshine animation, plus many more ideas. If you don't have microbits, don't worry, these projects can be run on the inbuilt simulator. If you would like to extend your upper Key Stage 2 learners, or you have some supercoders ready for a challenge, these projects can also be programmed in Python using Python in pieces and run on the inbuilt simulator, or transferred and run on a real microbit. Look out for more projects coming over the summer and autumn terms.